In World War II, the Red Army was massive but immobile. When Germany invaded in 1941, Soviet trucks were outdated, unreliable, and destroyed in huge numbers. American Lend-Lease changed everything. 427,284 U.S. trucks and Jeeps, Studebakers, Chevrolets, Dodges arrived via Arctic convoys, the Persian Corridor, and the Pacific. They carried ammunition, fuel, food, and soldiers, enabling offensives that Soviet production alone could never support. Zhukov, Stalin, and Khrushchev privately admitted the USSR would have lost without them. Reliable, powerful, and fast, these trucks transformed the Red Army into a mechanized force, carrying it from Stalingrad to Berlin, and rewriting the reality of victory.